In this video, you'll learn how to delete your MoonPay account. This process involves several steps that will guide you through navigating the MoonPay interface and confirming your account deletion. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the MoonPay website. Once the page loads, look for the option that allows you to buy cryptocurrency with a credit card. This can typically be found on the homepage. Click on this option to proceed. Next, you will see a button labeled Get Started. Clicking this will take you to the main interface of MoonPay. This page is crucial as it serves as your gateway to account management settings. After this, locate the settings option, which is usually found in the menu. Clicking on settings will lead you to a new screen displaying various account management features. It is important to ensure you are on the settings page before moving forward. Once on the settings page, look for the profile section. Click on profile to access account details. This step is necessary to find the option for account deletion. Now find the delete profile button. Clicking this will prompt a message that outlines important information regarding your account deletion. Pay close attention to this message as it highlights critical steps you need to take before confirming your deletion. You will then see a checklist titled Your Checklist Before You Go. This checklist ensures that you have completed essential tasks such as withdrawing any remaining funds and saving your recovery phrase. It is crucial to complete these tasks before proceeding further. Next, you will be asked to confirm several statements to ensure you are aware of the consequences of deleting your account. These statements include confirming that you have withdrawn all your funds and saved your recovery phrase. Once you have confirmed that all statements are true, you will need to provide a confirmation that you wish to delete your profile. This may involve typing a specific message or confirming your email address associated with the account. After confirming, you will once again be prompted to click on the delete profile button. This action is the final step in the deletion process, and it is essential to double check that all previous steps have been completed before clicking. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.